This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Rear brake pads replacement. Open the door and pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Slide the hood safety latch, then raise the hood upwards and support it with the prop rod. Remove the cap from the brake fluid reservoir. Apply the parking brake. Chock the front wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Loosen the rear wheel lug nuts. Place a floor jack under the unibody side pinch weld. Raise the rear of the vehicle, then support it with a jack stand placed under the indicated supporting marker. Repeat this on the opposite side where applicable. Remove the rear wheel lug nuts and remove the wheels. Position a drain pan under the brake assembly and clean the caliper and surrounding area with brake system cleaner. Remove the brake caliper spring clip. Remove the caliper bolt caps, then loosen and remove the caliper mounting bolts. Detach the brake hose and parking brake cable from the brackets. Wiggle the caliper free from the mounting bracket and suspend the caliper with a length of wire or coat hanger to avoid placing any strain on the brake hose. Remove the inner and outer brake pads from the mounting bracket. Use a caliper piston retracting tool to turn the caliper piston back into the caliper body. The cutouts on the piston face must be perpendicular to the plane of the mounting bolt holes so that they will align with the tab on the inner brake pad. As the piston is depressed to the bottom of its caliper bore, the fluid in the master cylinder reservoir will rise. Make sure it doesn't overflow. Clean the mounting bracket with the brake cleaner to remove all remaining debris. Install the inner and outer brake pads on the mounting bracket. Make sure that the pad with the spring clip attached is installed on the inside. Install the caliper onto the mounting bracket. Clean the old grease off of the mounting bolts, then apply a coating of high-temperature brake grease to the bolts. Install the upper and lower mounting bolts. Tighten the upper and lower caliper mounting bolts to the specified torque setting. Install the mounting bolt protective caps. Attach the brake hose and parking brake cables to the retaining brackets. Install the brake caliper spring securely onto the caliper. Repeat this procedure on the remaining rear brake pads. Pump the brake pedal slowly several times to seat the pads against the disc. Also, operate the parking brake several times. Install the rear wheels and lug nuts. Lower the rear of the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting. Release the parking brake. Check the brake fluid level in the master cylinder reservoir and add new brake fluid if necessary until the fluid reaches the max mark in the reservoir. Install the reservoir cap.